guys, it's your favoriteest girl Zoeshaaa, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the title and obviously my beautiful backdrop, you can obviously tell what today's video is going to be all about. You guys know I started off my channel doing DIYs. I feel like I have the same speech every time I come to do a DIY because I feel like it's been taking me so long to get back into the groove of things. But a client recently asked for a flower wall and I thought, why not turn this into a video? I know so many people on here who have YouTube channels that either deal with beauty, fashion, who need backdrops, or small businesses who need backdrops to showcase their items of whatever it is that they're selling, right? So why not figure out how to do or create your own flower wall? An inexpensive flower wall at that, because you guys know I live at the dollar store and I've purchased every single item to create this flower wall from the dollar store. So if you feel like you may need one, because for home decor as well, the options are limitless, you guys. If you are interested in learning how to make this very inexpensive, beautiful, it's not quick DIY flower wall, stay tuned and continue watching this video. Alright guys, so for this DIY, what you're going to need to start off with are, well, depending on the size that you want to make would determine how many Bristol boards you're going to need. For my client, she wants a pretty good size wall, so I decided to go with 4 Bristol boards for her. Alright, and then along with that, you're also going to need some glue sticks, a glue gun, and something to make holes with. So I'm going to be using a box cutter. You can use probably scissors if the tip is not too thick but also not too thin. You'll understand when I reach further along into the tutorial. And you're also gonna need tons and tons and tons and tons of flowers. My client is making this for her business. Her theme is pink, black, and white. So I had to go and find me a lot of pink flowers. So yeah, depending on, again, the size that you're going for, you're gonna need a lot of flowers. about to continue. As you can see, I only did a little piece yesterday. I did maybe about 4 rows, and that took up a lot of flowers, as you can see. But I went and I re-upped and I got a lot more flowers today, and I'm gonna see how much more I can continue today. I can't even remember how long it took me to do this, but I want to say I was here for at least like an hour. Yeah, about an hour I was here for that. So I'm about to start now. I'm gonna time it today and see how far I can get, and see if I need any more flowers. But I'm pretty much just taking it day by day. And yeah, I wasn't sure. I don't want to buy more than I need, so I just buy a little bit at a time to go ahead and see. This is my first time doing this. I know I can do it because I'm already starting, but this is my first time doing this, so I don't exactly know how much I need. So this is perfect so that I can help you guys out as well if this is something that you guys obviously are interested in making at home. So enjoy watching me do this. And I also did just want to go over something with you guys because I didn't actually get to really show you guys what I was doing. But basically all that I'm doing is using the box cutter. or again a sharp object if you don't have a box cutter, and I'm just simply making a hole, not through it, but through the first part, just not through the whole entire thing. So there's no hole at the back, and that's where I'm adding in the glue and then adding the stem in there. So that's pretty much all that I'm doing. Yeah, really easy, just very time consuming, so you got to make sure you got the time. But enjoy. Alright guys, so welcome back to day 3. Here we are again. Hopefully I can finish tonight. We're halfway there. I made sure to do at least half. So yeah, here we go. So guys, this is all we have left to do. One little quarter, almost fully complete. I'm super excited. I think I have enough flowers to finish everything. Fingers crossed. But yeah, let's just get into it. I still have to go in and add the client's logo and still a little bit more of the greenery and stuff like that, but that is the gist of it. And this is where a lot of you guys could leave it if you like, but yeah, as you can see, I've already started to put in the greenery over here, so you can kind of see what I mean, because you will see that there are some spots showing. So again, depending on the look that you're going for, if you don't mind it, which it doesn't look bad, you know what I'm saying, I put them close enough, but she wants some greenery, so I'm gonna be adding some greenery. Right, guys, so that brings us to the end of the video, and I just wanted to go over a couple things with you guys before I left here. So I did not mention throughout the video in regards to how much I spent for flowers, the Bristol board, anything like that, but as I said, everything can be purchased from your local dollar stores. So depending on how big you would like your flower wall to be, this client decided to go with 4 Bristol boards. So it took quite a lot of flowers. As you guys seen over the course of the video, I had to continuously go in and buy flowers to finish the project. But the only reason why I did not go overboard in the beginning is because I did not want to buy more flowers than she necessarily needed. I did not want her to come out of pocket and spend anything extra that wasn't necessary. So in all, for her flowers to cover this board, I spent roughly 150 Canadian. I know. And that includes the boards as well. So the Bristol boards were about, depending on where you shop, it's about 125 to 150 per board. And the flowers, each bouquet and bunch is different. You get a different number of heads, so that is also something to take into consideration when you're purchasing your flowers as well. But yeah, the flowers were all about, each bunch ranged from about 125 to, I think the most expensive one that I purchased was $3 for the bouquets. So that's also something to take into consideration as well. So the amount for your flowers and the amount of flowers that you're gonna need is going to determine the final cost, as well as the size of wall that you are going for. So if you only need 1 Bristol board to showcase whatever it is that you need to showcase, you're definitely not going to be spending that amount of money. If you want to use 2, go right ahead. If you want to put 4 together and cut it to a size that works for you, do what you got to do. But try going out and buying a little bit of flowers first, see if that works, and then, you know, see how much that covers, so that you know how much more additional you'll have to buy, so you're not left over with a bunch of flowers that you're never going to be using. That's the only tip that I can give you guys. But again, that was the cost for her project. Yeah, roughly about 150 Canadian. So yeah, pretty inexpensive, I think, you guys, again, for the size. I believe this worked out to be 56 by 44 inches. So it is really big. Like, my hand is off screen and literally it's the size of your hand stretched out. That is how wide it is. So it's a fairly good size, and as you can see, I can use it as a backdrop for my video. So really excited for the turnout. She loved it, I loved it. And again, this, I don't know if I mentioned it, but this was my first attempt, so I'm really excited about how it turned out, and I think I low-key want one myself now. But again, I hope you guys really and truly enjoyed this video. If you guys recreate your flower walls, please send me pictures. I would love to see how they turn out. Again, I just feel like, I don't know, it's so pretty. It's absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, thank you guys again for stopping by today and watching today's DIY. If you guys would like to see more things, or if there's anything you guys would like to see me make that you're not sure of how to make and you want to see maybe my method of how to make something, do not be afraid to leave it down in the comment section below. You guys know I love doing these things, so I do not mind doing that and showing you guys how to do it. When I'm not here on YouTube, in order to stay connected with me, all of my social media accounts and things that you can follow me on will be in the description box below. I post on my channel every Wednesday and Sunday, so be sure to look out for videos then. And I'll see you guys in the next one, whenever that is and whatever that is. Thank you guys again for stopping by today, and I'll see you next time, okay? Bye!